Hello everybody, thanks ever so much for joining me for this video today on how I added the detail to this still life painting of a teapot. This is the second video that I've made on this subject. The first one covered how I did the underpainting and created the form of the teapot and the lemons. If you'd like to see both full videos that are fully narrated, you need to go to my Patreon page where you can access them videos. This is just a shorter video. Hope you enjoy it and you get something from it. So at this point what I'm doing is just sketching in lightly where I feel the center of the pattern's going to be. If you look at the photograph of the teapot at the top, you can see it's symmetrical, the design, and it's slightly offset. The center of that design isn't directly underneath the knob of the teapot, it's slightly offset to the left. So I'm just putting tiny little marks in place just to give me a reference point for when I start to put those curves in. You can barely see these marks, they're just for me, and they'd be easily wiped off if I wanted to. The painting that we've done so far is now tacky, so if I wanted to wipe off these marks I could just get a brush and just wipe it off really. Now as you can see it's very light. I'm not going in heavy at all with any heavy paint, and I'm going to try and put that top curve in, and then as you can see I'm doing the reflection of it underneath so it's symmetrical. Subjects such as this, when you first start to paint them, can appear really overwhelming. I mean, there's a huge amount of detail in this. You've got obviously the teapot, but the cloth as well. And I set that up deliberately for two reasons. Firstly, the main thing was to see if I could actually paint the picture. I really enjoy challenging myself, and to actually make a convincing painting with something as detailed as this, it's literally just about how much time that you're willing to put into the painting. I really enjoy the challenge of doing this, and it's quite a meditative process. The one thing you've got to bear in mind the whole way through this is not to rush. If you were to rush, you just don't get the results that you want. You have to accept at the start that it's going to take time, and then be willing to give that time. And when I was doing this painting or any painting really, I constantly give myself a break from it, walk away. I mean, it should be an enjoyable process. If you want instant results, then this isn't the kind of painting for you really. Although I love the finished product, I love the sort of meditative quality of these still life paintings and the peace of them. I'm a real big fan of the Dutch painters. You should, if you're interested in this kind of painting, have a look at an artist called Henk Helmantel. It's absolutely phenomenal artist, and his paintings, although incredibly realistic, they don't look laboured in any way. They have a real sense of peace about them, and that's something that I love in still life paintings.